Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your daily energies, Pisces, we'll be picking few cards. A very happy new year and a very happy Christmas to all of you guys. I hope this year brings great joy, happiness and prosperity and success in all our lives, Pisces. So as usual, we are picking cards, guys. Let's start with this happy intention and happiness for this new year, guys. So those are for your daily reading. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, Pisces. So let's turn the cards now here, guys. 9 of air, 10 of water, Ace of fire. So with these cards, guys, Pisces, I see that you are enjoying this day. You have that happiness today and contentment. You have that emotional satisfaction today, and maybe for on certain things it may be something to do with your career or personal life. Something is worrying you because you feel that you would have done something wrong, and you are trying to console yourself. You are trying to console, saying that things will get back on track, things will become better tomorrow, and trying to pacify yourself, find that harmony and balance within yourself, and make that understanding within your heart of hearts that things may turn to go in a better way. And I also see that all your dreams or aspirations that you have for yourself, you are making those actions, working towards those dreams, and you are dreaming big today, and some of your dreams are coming into reality, Pisces. It may be something to do with your career, or it may be something in your personal life. So all those dreams are beginning to manifest, maybe, and that may be the reason for happiness today. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. It may be if you are in separation from this person in your connection, guys, you are simply missing them during this holiday, and you are consoling yourself that things will change for better. That is also what I see with these cards, guys. So let us see what are the cards for your career and personal life. For your career, it's World. So with this card, it just means that you are trying to align yourself more successfully in your career, changing the way you think, changing the way you act, and you are able to give that maximum potential in your work. You have that concentration, and you have that clarity, clear perception, and that may be the reason that things are progressing in a very positive way in your career, Pisces. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Tower. So with this card here, I see that there are major changes in your relationship, guys. Things are happening all of a sudden. Maybe this person and yourself, maybe some arguments or fights, some unexpected events are taking place. Maybe for some of you it may be so unexpected, this person may leave you all of a sudden, or in the way they are, the way you see or way you relate to this person, there may be a great change. You may work towards get better understanding. For some of you it is something negative, guys, negative transformation. For some of you it may be something very positive. Whatever the outcome is, the impact on you, it is a positive change that is happening in you guys. You have that clarity today, whether this person is there with you or not. You have that clarity in your mind. Things are taking a positive turn. You have that clear perception, and you know with clarity what you want with this person and what you want with this relationship and what is that working relationship. So this reordering of things happening in your connection, it is working for something better for you today, Pisces. So maybe for some of you, you are missing them today. So, and you are trying to console yourself that you're feeling sad today. You are trying to build that confidence within yourself today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Pisces, thank you for watching this video. A very happy new year to all of you guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.